In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my dear students, I hope that everything is going fine with you. Today, we are going to continue our study with Unit 10, Lesson 2. But first, let's remember these pictures which show the topic of communications. And this unit is communications. Let's remember the introduction of this unit. We have different ways of communicating in writing. Some of them are quick and informal, while others are more formal and take longer time. When we say informal writing, it means that it's with your friends and family and so on. And when we say formal writing, this means that with other people who you don't know. In this unit, we have a grammatical rule. But through the reading of this text, you have to find this grammatical rule yourself. So you have to read the text for 2 or 3 times and then answer the following questions to test your reading skill. Let's move to the grammatical rule. It's the third conditional. And here in this picture, the whole explanation of the third conditional, the structure, the usage, and the examples. First, the structure of this rule is that we use if plus if clause. It's a sentence in the past perfect. And then the main clause, we use would or wouldn't plus have plus past participle. Then ask yourself a question. Why do we use this case or the third conditional? We use it to express about imaginary situations in the past, or we can say impossible events or things. Now, let's read these 2 examples. If I had got a gold medal, I would have been happy. If we focus more on this case, we will find that we have if, then past perfect, then would have been, or would have plus past participle. Again, if I had got a gold medal, I would have been happy. The second example, if I had met Susan last week, I would have given her a present, for example. Again, we have if, and then if clause, which is a sentence in the past perfect, and then the perfect conditional of the main clause, which is would plus have plus past participle. Finally, we have to remember that we use the third conditional when we are thinking about conditional situation in the past. And you have to know that either the if clause or the main clause can appear first. Let's read these 2 examples. If I had seen Sally, I would have spoken to her. Or, I would have spoken to Sally if I had seen her. In the first example, we started by the if clause, and in the second example, we started by the main clause. Finally, we have a good exercise here. You have to finish all these examples using the third conditional. Thanks a lot for your good listening. Was with you, teacher Muhammad Al-Mallah.